The wood-burning kit 116 PCS by IVSUN offers an impressive range of adjustable temperatures from 220 to 480 degrees Celsius, which makes it versatile for various crafting needs. This all-in-one set includes 116 pieces, providing everything you need from a 60-watt adjustable temperature pyrography pen to colorful pencils and stencils. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, this kit is designed to cater to all skill levels, making it ideal for a wide range of projects, from crafting to home DIY. One of the standout features is its multifunctional use, allowing you to design on wood, cut stencils, solder, emboss fabric, and carve on various surfaces like leather and cork. With its quick 15-second heating time, this kit is not only convenient but also energy-saving and environmentally friendly. The kit's updated instructions ensure that users can fully utilize its potential, thanks to feedback from previous customers.